Hello students and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn an interesting chapter from Unit 3 3.5 and the name of the chapter is Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. This chapter includes the early life and an exclusive interview of Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom by Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastav. We will learn this chapter in two parts. In the first part of the video, we are going to learn about the early life, the inspiration and achievements of Mary Kom. The main aim of this lesson is to inspire the sportsperson, both men and women, to overcome the obstacles in their way by deriving the motivation from Mary Kom's legendary journey. So let's begin with the first part of the video. Before we start, let us focus upon the title of the chapter, and the title of the chapter is Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. The title itself describes Mary Kom as unbeatable, that is a strong fighter, that means the one who is not easily defeated in the boxing field, and on the other hand supermom means a wonderful mother. So let us learn more about Mary Kom. Chungnejang Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982, better known as Mary Kom. She is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a six-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. Nicknamed Magnificent Mary, she is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Olympics, competing in the flyweight 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. So Mary Kom, she belonged to a tribe in Manipur and she has been nicknamed as Magnificent Mary. Now students, you must have heard or you must have noticed that the great sportsmen or great personalities, they often carry a nickname. Nickname means a name which is given instead of their real name, or along with their own real name, a name has been given to them that is called to be as a nickname. For example, Sachin Tendulkar has been given a nickname as Master Blaster. Same way, Mary Kom was also nicknamed as Magnificent Mary. It means an excellent or an impressive Mary. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangte Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. In 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. The success story of the legendary definitely they inspire the sportsperson to do the best in the fields, and so the best inspirational source for it can be Mary Kom. Mary Kom has been referred as a warrior. Warrior, actually the meaning of it is a brave fighter. But here we will use this with reference to Mary Kom, where she has gained the victory into the field of boxing, and so she has been referred to as a warrior. Mary belonged to the Kom tribe. So because of this, the word Kom, that is K-O-M, the writer has played with the word conqueror. If you see the line number 4th line of the slide, you will understand this. The writer has played with the word conqueror to conqueror, that is instead of using C-O-N, he has used the word K-O-M. And comrade, that is C-O-M-R-E-D, instead of that he has used the word as K-O-M, that is comrade. So due to the repetition of the words of Kom, it has created the effect to describe the qualities of Mary Kom. So in the year 2012, she was being qualified. Qualified means she was officially recognized and she won the bronze medal in 51 kg flyweight. Flyweight, it means it is a category of a boxing which includes the fighters having a weight ranging from 49 kg to 52 kg, that is called to be as a flyweight. Kaum was born in Kangthai village, Moiraing Lakhma in Churchandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kaum and Mangte Akham Kaum, were tenant farmers who worked in jhum fields. Kaum grew up in a humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. So in her childhood, Mary Kom, she had a family background where her parents used to work they were the tenant farmer. That means they used to work on a rented land in jhum fields. Jhum field, it is a type of a cultivation or a farming. Her upbringing was done in a very simple and poor condition. Her life was a common life like every one of us. She helped her parents in routine household work. Chores, it means routine household work. She went to school and she learned sports, and after later on she started learning boxing both at the same time, that is sports, athletics and boxing at the same time. She got inspiration of sports and athletics from her father. Her father was also a very enthusiastic wrestler at his younger age. So after we learn about the background of Mary Kom, one thing is noteworthy over here that though her origins were very ordinary, but she had extraordinary dreams for her life. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal, Kom recollects, had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. So the success of Dinko Singh, he was a fellow, that means he was a person who belonged to Manipur, so he's called to be as a fellow of Manipur. He had got a gold medal in Bangkok Asian Games. He became an inspiration to many youngsters in Manipuri to try boxing, and among all of them, Mary Kom also thought of attempting to give it a try. This is a phrase, it means to attempt or to try for. So she got inspiration from Dinko Singh, and even she thought of giving a try or to attempt or to try her hand at boxing. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In 2001, she started competing at international level. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first IBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure, and an idol for a sportswoman to look up to. Mary Kom's first career win came in 2000 when she won the Best Boxer award at the first state level invitation at Women Boxing Championship in Manipur. After that, she proceeded to win the gold in the 7th East India Women Boxing Championship in West Bengal. Then at the age of 18, she made her international debut, that is the first public appearance or performance at IBA, Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, and bagged the silver medal in 48 kg weight category. But being a successful sports person also, she is very humble. Her greatness was reinforced or it was strengthened when she apologizes or she says sorry to the whole nation for she was unable to bag the gold medal. Here IBA, it is an acronym for Association Internationally Box Amateur, that is International Boxing Association. She is also said to be a legend. Legend means the one who makes history is called as a legend because she shows the humility in spite of the fame she has achieved by apologizing the nation. So from this we learn that Mary Kom was a successful sports person, a great legend, and at the same time, she had been a source of inspiration for many sports women. So student, this is the end of the first part of the chapter Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. In the second part of a video, we are going to learn more about Mary Kom through her interview. Thank you students.